Welcome to Mindful Makerspace Challenge. My name is Mrs. Nance. Before we start our activity today, let's go ahead and take a mindful breath. 2 big breaths, breathing through the nose and then out through the mouth. Pick your favorite flower. Today I'm going to pick the daffodil. And I'm going to breathe in through my nose, smelling my daffodil, and then blowing out through my mouth like I'm blowing out a tiny candle. I'll be inviting the mindful bell 4 times. 2 to breathe in, 2 to breathe out. You have your favorite flower? Here we go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The breath is so important. People use the breath for many things. Sometimes it's just to focus and be calm and ready to learn, like we're using the bell here. Many times people use the breath because they're upset or scared. And when they take the breath, it calms them down. They can refocus and have some really good thoughts. Sometimes people use the breath because they're really hyper and they need to calm down or they might get in trouble. So the breath puts oxygen in our brain, gives us really good thoughts. We make really good choices. So I hope you are focused and ready for this Mindful Makerspace Challenge. Please feel free to share your celebrations, answers to the questions I asked you, or if you have any questions, email me. And my email is right on the classroom website. Happy learning! Today we're going to talk about chain reactions using dominoes. I like using dominoes because they have a uniform appearance. They might be different colors, but they're the same size, the same width and height. And domino effects and chain reactions are easy to create with dominoes. So if I take some dominoes and I line them up, a chain reaction is something that I create by using energy to make a change. So if I pushed energy onto the first domino only, what do you think is going to happen with the other dominoes? Let's see. That's a chain reaction. So let's see if I could have the same chain reaction if I place the dominoes a little further apart. What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to place energy on one domino. I did not have a chain reaction. So for a chain reaction to happen, you must create a distance that is closer than the length of one domino. If I press this forward, which is the length of one domino, now let's see if I can have a chain reaction by giving 1 energy. So it's important for a chain reaction to make sure that you place the dominoes close, but not further than the width of one domino. Let's see what happens if I start turning my dominoes. Will my chain reaction work? I want to see if I just give this energy, will this domino fall? Let's see. It did. So let's try another. Let's say I set my dominoes up in a circle. Will it make a circular turn for a chain reaction? What do you think? I'm going to give this one just 1 energy. And let's see if we have a chain reaction. We did. So you need to find, in order to create a chain reaction, something that you have that is of uniform, the same, each of them are the same appearance. So I have parts of a Jenga game. See if I can create a pattern with my Jenga. Yellow, red, yellow, red. And if I give this one energy, would I have a chain reaction? Let's try it. Now let's see if I can make a chain reaction further apart. Do you think that would happen? Let's find out. Why did I have a chain reaction when I placed the Jenga game pieces further apart than I did my domino pieces? You're right, because the Jenga is longer than the domino. So I can place them further apart as long as the distance is shorter than the length of one Jenga. Your challenge is to find either a uniformed object that you can create a chain reaction to and create that domino effect and see if you can give a little bit of energy to create a chain reaction. And also your challenge is how long can your chain reaction become? How long? What is the longest chain reaction you can create? Happy learning!